Did you know that avocados contain more potassium per gram than bananas, the fruit that most people associate with this vital mineral? It's true. And that's just the beginning of what makes avocados one of the most extraordinary foods on the planet. Revered by ancient civilizations like the Aztecs, who considered them a source of strength and vitality, avocados have endured through the ages as a symbol of nourishment and energy. Today, modern science confirms what ancient wisdom already knew. Avocados are a superfood, uniquely equipped to unlock and sustain your energy throughout the day. Imagine waking up feeling sluggish. You hit snooze once, then twice. By midday, your energy dips, and you reach for another cup of coffee or a sugary snack just to keep going. Sound familiar? Fatigue, low motivation, and a lack of steady energy plague millions of people every day, making even simple tasks feel like uphill battles. Whether it's the demands of work, school, or family, maintaining a consistent energy level is crucial for productivity, mood, and overall well-being. But what if there was a natural, delicious way to fuel your body, one that didn't rely on quick fixes or artificial stimulants? Enter the avocado, a nutrient powerhouse that can help you break free from the cycle of energy crashes and unlock your full potential. Let's dive into what makes avocados so exceptional. Unlike most fruits, which are primarily composed of carbohydrates, avocados are rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. These fats are not only good for your heart, but they also provide a slow-burning source of fuel for your body and brain. While sugary snacks may give you a brief jolt, the energy from healthy fats is released steadily, keeping you alert and focused for hours. But the benefits don't stop there. Avocados are packed with a host of essential vitamins and minerals that play a direct role in energy production. Their impressive potassium content helps regulate fluid balance and muscle contractions, making them ideal for athletes or anyone with an active lifestyle. A single avocado also delivers a generous dose of magnesium, a mineral critical for converting food into usable energy at the cellular level. When magnesium is in short supply, fatigue and muscle weakness often follow. Avocados are also rich in B vitamins, particularly B5 and B6, which help your body convert carbohydrates into glucose, the simplest form of energy your cells can use. These vitamins also support the adrenal glands, which manage your body's response to stress and, when functioning optimally, help prevent burnout and exhaustion. Let's not forget fiber, another key component of avocados. With about 10 grams of fiber per fruit, avocados help regulate blood sugar levels by slowing the absorption of carbohydrates. This means fewer spikes and crashes and a more consistent, reliable supply of energy throughout the day. To put these benefits into perspective, consider the story of Maria, a busy mother of two who used to struggle with mid-afternoon slumps that left her feeling drained and irritable. After reading about the benefits of avocados, she started adding half an avocado to her morning smoothie and another half to her lunchtime salad. Within a week, she noticed a remarkable difference. The cravings for sugary snacks disappeared, her mood improved, and she found herself powering through her daily tasks with renewed vigor. Maria's experience isn't unique. Countless people have discovered that making avocados a regular part of their diet can transform the way they feel and function. But don't just take Maria's word for it. Scientific studies have shown that diets higher in monounsaturated fats, like those found in avocados, support better cognitive performance and sustained energy. One study published in the journal Nutrients found that participants who included avocados in their meals reported improved focus and memory, as well as greater satisfaction and fullness after eating. This means you're less likely to experience energy-zapping hunger pangs or the temptation to reach for unhealthy snacks. So, how can you easily incorporate avocados into your daily routine? The possibilities are endless. Start your day with avocado toast sprinkled with hemp seeds for an extra protein boost. Toss diced avocado into a colorful salad or blend it into a creamy, nutrient-rich smoothie. For a quick, energizing snack, simply slice an avocado in half, drizzle with olive oil, and sprinkle with a pinch of sea salt and chili flakes. The creamy texture and mild flavor make avocados a versatile addition to both sweet and savory dishes. It's also worth noting that avocados can help your body absorb other important nutrients more efficiently. Many vitamins, such as A, D, E, and K, are fat-soluble, meaning they require dietary fat to be absorbed properly. Adding avocado to meals enhances the absorption of these vitamins from other foods, maximizing the overall nutritional benefit of your diet. Of course, energy is about more than just physical stamina. Mental clarity, emotional resilience, and even immune function are all linked to the nutrients found in avocados. The antioxidants in avocados, including lutein and zeaxanthin, help protect your brain and eyes from oxidative stress, while their anti-inflammatory properties support overall health and recovery. In summary, avocados are much more than a trendy topping for toast. They're a genuine superfood, uniquely designed by nature to power your body and mind. Their combination of healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals works together to provide a steady, reliable source of energy that lasts. Whether you're tackling a busy workday, chasing after kids, or training for your next athletic event, avocados can help you perform at your best. If you're looking for a simple, delicious way to boost your energy and support your overall well-being, it's time to give avocados a starring role in your kitchen. The science is clear, the stories are inspiring, and the benefits are undeniable. Thank you for joining this journey into the world of avocados and the incredible energy they can unlock. If you found this information helpful and want to discover more tips and insights on nutrition, healthy living, and unlocking your best self, don't forget to subscribe. There's a world of superfoods and practical advice waiting for you, all designed to help you feel energized, empowered, and ready to take on whatever life throws your way.